Hello kids, today I'm coming at you with a hair tutorial. What am I doing right now? I couldn't tell you. So, skip a little bit if you don't want to see the products that I don't actually use. I've got a pincher thingy, clip. I got 2 clips actually, but I'm not even going to use them today, so it's fine. Yeah, I got 2 clips. Gonna show you a lot because I think I'm funny, but I'm really actually not at all. Okay. Oh yeah, gotta get the close-up. Close-up, yep, see, hello, clip. Yep, there you go, now you know what it looks like. Okay, that's plenty. Okay, yep, we got it now. Oh my god, a big clip. I'm not even gonna use this one either, but I'm gonna show you I have it anyway. It's not even my clip. It's a clip I'm borrowing from my cousin. It's really big. I thought this looked scary, but it doesn't. Okay. I got one thicky boy hair tie, but I'm not even gonna use that one either because I'm lazy and I only did 2 hairstyles, fun fact. Oh wow, 2 little tiny thinny boys. 2 little tiny thin hairbands. There we go. I like these. These are my go-to. Okay, I'm gonna flip my hair 100 million times. Oh, ew, gross. Why did I have to redo that? Here we go. I brushed my hair before, so, yep, gotta check the camera. Okay. Check again. Alright, so I brushed my hair before, so it's fine. I brushed it at least once today, okay? Okay, don't hate me. Alright, so I'm gonna split the hair never mind, I'm not doing French braid first. I'm gonna do a regular braid first. Alright, here we go. So we're splitting the hair in 3 separate but equal pieces. Or at least try and make them equal. Equal pieces. So you're gonna take the one on the left, cross it over to the middle. Take the one from the right, cross it over the middle. Left to middle, right to middle, left, middle, and then it speeds up because I'm really fast. So what you just got to do with each strand is go take the one on the outside, middle, switch to the other side, middle. So it's lumpy now, but I'll kind of fix it. Maybe it won't turn out ugly. I don't really know. But since my hair is long, I pull my hair to the side to finish the rest of the braid because my arms don't extend down to the back bottom of my back bottom. So anyway, you can see I did not do my makeup in any sort of way because my eyelashes were not curled. Alright, let me grab a hair tie, a little skinny boy, skinny legend. And if you don't know how to put one of these on already clumpy hair, well, you just gotta loop it around like 100 times. Keep looping it. Yep, Alright, after you did that 100,000 times, now we're gonna pull the sides of the pieces out a little bit just to make it fuller and give it a little dimension and make it hopefully not look like trash and make hair look semi-healthy even though I haven't cut it in fucking years. And then ruffle up that bit a little bit. Just give it a little bit messy vibe so it doesn't look like the tightest shit you've ever done. Okay, alright, wow, there we go. It's good look for work. Gotta pull out those little wispies that look kind of ugly because all I did was brush my hair today. Oh, cute, okay. Okay, great, that's what the back looks like. Cute, yay. What am I doing with my hands? Okay. Smooth her down a little bit. Great, yay. Check camera. Ooh, wink, love that. Okay, now I'm gonna lip sync to who knows what, probably Ariana Grande, and take my hair out. Wow, it took us 5 whole minutes. Sorry, Paparino got excited. Anywho, back to the hair tutorial. So, here we go. Next thing. Alright, sectioning pieces off of the view of the camera. Perfect. Alright, we're gonna do 3 separate but equal pieces again. Alright, you can not really see that, but then it starts as the right over left, left over right, and then when we have our 3 pieces, you lay the right one down, grab a chunk of hair, and then put it back over the middle again. There you go. All right, and then we hold both of those pieces, put the left piece down, grab a chunk of hair, put it to the middle again. Grab the middle piece. All right, and then you just keep going, adding a chunk each time you cross it over. It's still kind of off screen, but you know, it'll get down there eventually. All right, there we go. You grab the piece. Thank you, Sheldon. And then tuck it over. Grab a piece over the middle. Grab a piece, cross over the middle. Y'all get the gist. I'm not gonna keep talking. All right, we are nearing the bottom, so some of the straggling pieces can get a little difficult. What am I doing? Hello? Okay. And you don't want to leave any behind, so I grabbed majority in that grab. Well, with this next one, I'm gonna just make sure that it's all good. See, I got all the pieces, and now I'm finishing it like a regular braid. Sorry, Paparino needed something. All right, we're gonna finish this braid really quickly, just like the last one, like a regular braid. And of course you can't see it because it's behind my shoulder, but you know what, it's fine, it's fine. Okay. Grab a hair tie. Gotta just loop it up. Not showing you that either, apparently. Alright. Oh, maybe just... Okay. Alright, and there's our finished product. Mess it up just a little bit. It kind of doesn't look that good, but that's because I'm not really trying. Pull out baby pieces. Pull it apart a little bit to give that oomph and that dimension and that vibes. I fucking don't know what I'm saying anymore. All right, there we go. Ta-da. Ew. Yep, much better. Really great. Ew, stop. Please stop. Okay. That's our finished look. Thanks for watching this much because I know it was all garbage. See that that face knows that it's garbage. Okay. Bye.